For this problem, pause your video player until you can find your calculator. It might be very useful to follow along. What I like to do first is do my calculation. I'll just write whatever my calculator shows, and then I will correct the number of sig figs in step 2. Okay? Now, all of these are multiplication or division, so remember the overall rule. The overall rule is to round to the least number of sig figs. And that's for multiplication and division, which is what we're operating with, okay? So let's go ahead and work on these. I have my calculator. So 45.7 has 3 sig figs. This guy here, these zeros don't count. This has 2 sig figs. But when you enter it in your calculator, enter 45.7 times 0.034. Enter everything like it's shown. Hit the equal key. Okay, and I get 1.5538. Now, we have this guy here has fewer sig figs, or the least number of sig figs, so we want to round this to 2 sig figs. Look at the next digit up. Is it 5 or more? Yes, so we round this up to 1.6. Calculator-wise on B, we've got 0.00278 times 5. Hit the equal key. And what I get is 0.0139. Now, this value here, remember these zeros don't count. We have 1, 2, 3 sig figs. And this guy just has 1. So we want to round this guy here to 1 sig fig. This 0 doesn't count, this 0 doesn't count, this 1 will count. And we look at the next digit up. Is it 5 or higher? No, so we round it down. It's going to be 0.01. Okay, that's how we round it down. In part C, we've got 34.56 divide 1.25, hit the equal key, and we get 27.648. Now this numerator, the guy on top, has 4 significant figures, and the denominator, the guy on the bottom, has 3 significant figures, so we want to round this off to 3 sig figs. My arrow is pointing to the next digit beyond that. Is it below 5? Yes, so we round this down. It's going to be 27.6. In this problem, let's use our calculator. 0.2465 times 25 divide 1.78 equals, I get 3.462078652. On the bottom, this number has 3 sig figs, this one has 2 sig figs, this one has 4 sig figs. So that's our weak link, 2 sig figs. We want to highlight. I'm going to arrow the 1 over. Is this 5 or up? Yes, so we round it up. So the 4 becomes a 5. Okay? I hope that helps you and reviews the rules of multiplication and division and rounding. Thanks for watching.